Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Vidisha, and in today's video we are going to talk about Venegas new launch, the luxury lip collection. Now in this collection he has launched the creamy lipstick, the high shine lip glosses, and also the essential lip liner. Now if you want to know more about this lip products, how they're applied in my lips, lip swatches, and my final thoughts, then please keep watching. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you do not miss any of my future video. Now let's talk about the product details. Now this is how the outer packaging looks like. Nothing extraordinary, simple silver packaging. Now coming to the packaging of the lipsticks, this is how it looks like. As you can see, these are very bold black packaging and have the name of Venegas embossed in down, and also this is not a magnetic closer, but this is very sleek, elegant black packaging. Now looking into the packaging of the lip glosses, this is how the packaging of the lip glosses looks like. For me, I feel like this looks like a nail polish bottle. Again, it's a very sleek, elegant packaging with Venegas name embossed on the top. And for the lip liner, this is a simple, as usual, how the lip liner packaging are. Now let's talk about the pricing. The lipsticks are sold at $28, the lip glosses are $22, and the lip liners are $14. Now the lip liner is made in Czech Republic, but the lipstick and lip glosses are made in Canada. Also, if you want to buy this lip products, they are sold exclusively at Beautylish. Now let's move on to the lip swatches. I have swatched the liner first, followed by the lipsticks, and then the lip glosses. Now let's talk about my final thought on this lip products. And for me, the lip product which stand out among the entire lip collection are the lipsticks. Now these are very creamy, buttery, and once wiped they are opaque and applied great. They are mentioned as once applied, this will make your lips look beautiful and natural. And if you see the theme of this lipstick collection, it's all about the floral theme. So I feel even the colors, the shades matches the theme. This does not have any nude or basic kind of nude shades. So if you are a person who love, nude shades, which is brownie, beigey kind of, shades, this is not the lipstick for you guys. If you are the one who is looking for a pinky, peachy kind of lipsticks, these are the ones. Now let's talk about the lip glosses. Now I am in a two minds when I talk about this lip glosses. It's not the best lip glosses I have ever used, neither they are the worst. Now I wanted this Petunia to be very opaque because that's how it looks like. But while applying, as you guys saw in the swatches, I have to go back and forth to get the pigmentation, which is something I don't like when I am using a opaque lip gloss. Now talking about this lip gloss, which is Antique Rose, when I swatched on my lips, I could find little bit of grains, nothing much, but when I was just trying to feel it, there was kind of granular texture. Otherwise, this is like a regular lip gloss. Now let's talk about the lip liner. I'm going to rank them the lowest in this collection only because I didn't enjoy it while I applied this lip liner. Also, these are hard. When I was swatching, I have to really go back and forth to get that pigmentation. These are not creamy. Nowadays, I am using lip liners which are really creamy, and it's really feel good. Now, these are typical wooden lip liner, which is great to line your lips, but then you have to really work hard to get that pigmentation. And the part it is not creamy, that just puts me off. Also, one thing to remember, the shade range in this lip collection is scattered towards fair to medium, more than tan and deeper complexion. If you are a deeper complexion person, you have to use a deep lip liner to work with this lipsticks. And finally, if I have to recommend any lip product from this collection, I will highly recommend the lipsticks. We can give a pass on the lip glosses and lip liner. There are better lip liners and lip glosses in the market on the same price. Now this is really hard for me to say because I really love Venegas, but yes, I need to be honest with my audience. And yeah, that's all I have to say about this lip collection. And if you really enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to like, share and comment. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.